for today. And if we are going to proceed on the trial, your case will be called last.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'm going to place you back in the breakout room.
Okay.
Or you actually can go back into the breakout room on your own. It should say join breakout room for you.
The link's no longer there in the left-hand corner. It was there before, but it's not.
Okay, one moment. Did we go to breakout room? But if we open, everybody's going to go back. All right. So that's the only other officer I believe that we have. So as of now, you can, I think, just go ahead and. Ready to proceed on Madison Burnett Montgomery?
I'm here.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you can turn your camera on, Ms. Montgomery. Or Ms. Burnett. Good morning. Good morning.
Oh, yeah.
Now calling the People versus Madison Burnett Montgomery, ticket number P1387481. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Please make your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Ms. Burnett Montgomery. Ms. Montgomery, state your name, your full name for the record, please.
Madison Burnett Montgomery.
Today is the date and time, today is the date and time set for a show cause. Ms. Pernicano, how would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to review the plea recommendation from the people and review that recommendation with my client. At this time, Ms. Burnett Montgomery wishes to take advantage of that plea recommendation, which is to plead guilty to an amended count of failure to display and a dismissal of the ticket ending in ticket 481, count 2.
Ms. Burnett, you had an opportunity to talk to counsel and he advised you of your rights.
Yes.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone promise you anything, force you, or threaten you to take this plea today?
No.
You're pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And you're pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes.
Turning your attention to September 6, 2022, were you driving a black Dodge vehicle in the area of 7 Mile and Lamont in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And did you do something to get to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day?
I really don't remember. I think I just got pulled over.
And when they pulled you over, were you able to display a valid driver's license?
No.
Okay. Counsel, you satisfied?
Satisfied.
So the court will enter a plea of guilty to the amended charge of failure to display. And that fine is going to be $220. How long do you need to pay that, Ms. Burnett?
Maybe like a week or so. Not even that. May I ask, is that the ticket price?
Yes, that's the amount of the ticket, $220. But
Okay.
And I'm glad you mentioned that because I believe you have 2 outstanding tickets for defective brake lights and expired plates that you need to pay as well.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna adjust your fee to $190 due to the fact that you have so many others that you need to catch up on. I'm gonna adjust the fee for today for the failure to display to $190.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Okay, so what I'm going to do though is set this matter for review. I know you said 2 weeks, but you have quite a few others that are remaining. So I'm gonna set this for review on March 24th. Yeah, I'm gonna set this for review on March 24th. You need to have those paid, all of those paid by March 24th, okay?
Okay.
And then come back on March 24th at 8:35 a.m. if they are not paid. If you paid them, you know you do not need to appear, but if they are not paid, you need to appear back on this same Zoom on March 24th at 8:35 a.m., okay?
Okay.
All right, that concludes your matter.
Thank you.
And the court will dismiss, I don't know if I said it for the record, that the court is going to dismiss the second count of no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, yeah, just give, yeah, thank you.
Ready to proceed on Paris Bowie? No?
I'm sorry, who, Your Honor?
Right, exactly, so I don't see them on here. Paris Bowie?
Paris Bowie. I believe they were on earlier.
Judge,
Did we get-
I can, sorry to interrupt. I've been calling Miss Paris Bowie's name all morning. Every time I call her, she has not responded.
I concur. I also went into that breakout room and called her name, actually.
Okay, and she is actually not in this room, and we've closed our breakout rooms, so the court will issue a habeas on this one.
Judge, can I ask a question?
Mhm.
For some reason, I don't have the capability of going to see Miss Barnes. I was gonna go talk to her. Has something changed?
So the only thing that changed is that we have closed the breakout rooms. If we open them back up, everyone's gonna go back into the breakout room.
Okay.
So we just placed her in the waiting room for now. Are you ready to talk to her right now?
Yeah, I think I can talk to her. I have time, Judge.
Okay, give me one moment. We'll
Thank you.
reopen the breakout rooms. For those of you who are on, we're gonna reopen the breakout room, but we're gonna ask that you join back into the main session. Gotta love Zoom, gotta love Zoom. So you have to follow the prompt to come back into the main session.
Mute yourself until your case is called, Mr. Brown.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Hello?
Yes, hello.
Are there any, please keep your phone on mute. Okay, so this matter will be dismissed. That concludes this case, and you are free to go, Ms. Bird.
Thank you so much.
Take
You're
care, Ms.
welcome. Officer Brown, you're free to go.
Have a good morning.
You too, thank you.
Joe, do you need me to talk to anybody in the breakout room?
Yes.
If you want to go to iPhone room 10, I put that iPhone 10, Mr. Brown.
Yes, Your Honor.
Step out and let them talk. That's what my dad do sometimes. Talk to.
I'm in.
Mr. Panicano, I have someone here that has shown up at the court for a trial. And we do have officers that are present on this matter. His name is, Miss.
Oldest Black.
What is the person?
Oldest artist
Black.
Artist.
It's an alcohol related violation. And I believe one other violation. I am going to have to, I guess.
What's the, is it 08 or what's the month?
Mr. Goss, are you on mute?
I just muted him.
So what, yeah, I'm trying to mute everybody because I want to make sure it came from Mr. Goff. But I'm really at a loss as to how to make sure that you are able to talk to your client or talk to the client so that we can proceed on the trial, possibly proceed on the trial today. He's unable to use Zoom.
Does the court have an afternoon docket today?
We do, but it's the sign and flag docket today. Do you want to you want to do that one in the afternoon?
Well, I could appear in person this afternoon if need be, and I could speak with Mr. Black.
Would you object to me and the court reporter and court clerk? No, you probably would object because there's no privacy if you're on Zoom with everybody else.
No,
Yeah, I could.
They paused the YouTube. I've been in court.
They paused the YouTube, but what about everybody else in the breakout room? But everybody else in the breakout room?
I mean, well, they use
I could call and speak to Mr. Black on the phone. Does he have a cell phone?
He does not.
Okay.
He has to come back a little because I don't want
I
anybody
got
else in the room.
I
And we're not getting
understand.
ready to put all these people back in the breakout room.
I understand.
So.
Yeah,
I thought,
I would think it would need to be set for an in-person date with him and an appointed attorney.
I agree.
it's fine.
And make sure that we know that it's in person.
Yeah, we'll put IPRS.
And he has no, one moment, please. Now calling the people versus artist Tremaine Black. Are the officers ready to proceed on Mr. Black?
PR Officer Riddles is here.
Okay. Did you get that? Yeah. And would you state your name for the record, sir?
Artist Black.
Today is the date and time that was set for a trial in this matter. Mr. Black has appeared in court in person. However, we have a slight issue of Mr. Black being able to have a conversation with House Counsel, a private conversation with House Counsel on Zoom. He does not have a phone currently, and he is not able to connect to Zoom currently. Therefore, we are going to adjourn this matter to a date. It will not be an in-person matter. It will be on Zoom. Again, scheduled for Zoom. He was a little confused about whether or not he should appear in person. So we will adjourn this matter and set it for a Zoom trial on March 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that concludes this hearing. We will see you on Zoom, sir,
Okay.
on March 24th at 9 a.m.
Okay.
And you have the Zoom, you have the ID number that I gave you?
Yeah, I got all that.
Okay.
From before.
We'll
Is there
see you.
any kind of way that we can like complain about the transport guys?
The who?
The guys there, the transport people.
The officers?
Yeah, that does the two line and the what's the name line or whatever.
I don't have that information. I would suggest.
Because I know it's only 6 of them. Only person we can report to is them because everybody down there, they harass the heck out of people back down.
So
Somebody
I'm
needs a
going
number
to
to
do.
call.
Hey, how you doing?
You want your case heard. Can we be open for that one so that Ms. Barnes can be placed in Mr.
Ryan is the co-host, he can go back in here and.
It won't let me go back into the breakout. I can open the breakout rooms. That's what it gives me an option to do that.
You can or you cannot.
I can open them. But I didn't want to do that. Okay, there we go. I got the invite. Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, I'm putting them back in. They coming back in, I'm moving them to the next set.
Hi, can you put me back in? Cause it kicked me right out of the breakout room. I don't know what's going on.
Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I think what happened, when the breakout rooms were open the first time, they were only open for 30 seconds. So they're reopened now. So I'll just start inviting people back into the main session.
Thank you.
Actually, no. Okay. Like I said, you will never. Okay, thanks.
Oh, thank you. Ready to proceed on Lamont Bowman?
On Anthony Owens?
No, look, well, Anthony Bowen, yes,
Yes, I'm here.
okay. Can you turn your camera on, sir? Mr. Bowens, will you start your video?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Officer Wood, I'm going to put you in a breakout room, for the prosecutor to come back to talk to you, okay?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
You got- All right. Now calling the people versus Anthony Lamont Bowen, ticket number P 1387174, count 2, drove while license suspended, while unlicensed, correction, drove while unlicensed. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Joseph Pernicano, P 84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Bowens. State your full name for the record, Mr. Bowens, if you can hear us.
Anthony Lamont Bowens.
Today is the date and time set for show cause. Just, Mr. Pernicano, we have quite a few that are in warrant
Just that
status.
one, but got some that's pending, got some that's in this one.
Okay, so there's one ticket that he has out there, P 1326580, that is in warrant status for entering a vacant dwelling without written permission. Were you aware of that?
No, Your Honor, I was not aware of that.
I'm not either. You say I got a warrant?
You do. You have a warrant, Mr. Bond, for an incident that occurred on March 25th, 2022.
March 25th, 2022.
So the court, Mr. Pernicano, you tell me how you would like to proceed, because
Are we
would like-
able to set today's matter for a pretrial and do an arraignment on the bench warrant on March 24th?
Correct. Okay, so the court is going to set aside the bench warrant on ticket number ending in 6580 and proceed with the arraignment.
Your Honor, Mr. Bowens is going to plead not guilty and stand mute on that charge.
Okay. And would you like to set this matter for a pretrial as well?
Yes, Your Honor, on March 24th at 8:30 a.m.
So the court will the court will enter not guilty plea on both of these matters and set them both for pretrial on March 24th at 8:35 a.m. I don't know if you want to talk to your client again, just to make sure that he understands. Mr. Bowens, did you understand what just happened here?
Yes, I got, I'm gonna reappear back in court March 24th.
Okay.
All right, very well.
Wait 1 moment, I'm sorry.
If you look on that printout, he has another driver license that were acquired. He has a show cause date for May 3rd, and that's also a misdemeanor. So just on that sheet I just gave you, just put together all misdemeanors. The sheet I gave you, that printout, that used to be easier for me, just write all misdemeanors for whatever day.
So, Mr. Barnes, you also have you had I believe, a show cause that was scheduled for March, May 3rd. We're gonna move that to March 24th as well.
Okay, so everything could be one day?
Everything will be on one day.
Now we doing this.
Okay. All right.
So all the civils infraction, again, just write it on their schedule, everything.
Okay, one moment, please. Okay, Mr. Barnes, you're free to go. We will see you on March 24th at 8:35 a.m. We're gonna try to combine as many of your matters as possible on that day. We're discovering more outstanding matters that you have, so we're just gonna try to combine them all for that date.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
The officer, and then it's kind of up to the officer how to proceed. If we will,
Mr. Goss, can you come to the courtroom for a moment?
And then, this back, so you do that. With several, okay.
He's willing to, not, yeah, no big deal. Okay. Come back before March 24th for that. All right. Party's ready. Did we just do Barnes?
Judge Barnes is now ready. She's going to take advantage of the plea. She was the one that was a potential trial.
Okay, is Barnes the one that I can remove from the courtroom right now?
Anthony Barnes.
She was the one that you put into a breakout room.
I know what I'm talking about. Okay, let me get her file. Okay, and the Officer Wood is present for Ms. Barnes. We're ready to proceed on Ms. Barnes.
yes, ma'am.
Right, now calling the people. Ms. Barnes, do you have on a head garment for religious purposes or an illness?
Pardon me?
Are you wearing a head garment for religious purposes or an illness? If not, I would ask for you to remove your head garment.
Yes, spirituality, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now calling the people versus Angel Sherry Barnes, ticket number P 1246995. Count 1, find false information and or ID to the police officer. Count 2, knives with blades longer than 3 inches prohibited. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Ryan Hill on behalf of Ms. Barnes. Ms. Barnes, state your name, please.
Angel Barnes.
And we have an officer present. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Officer Wood, badge 4163 for Detroit Police Department.
Today is the day and time set for trial. Mr. Hill, how would you like to proceed?
Judge, my clients can be pleaded. There's an amended offer. I just spoke to Mr. Goss. My clients can be pleading no contest based on civil liability as it relates to the knife violation. And he's agreed to reduce the delayed sentence period from 12 months to 6 months. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Barnes?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And count 1 will be dismissed.
Yes.
And Ms. Barnes, you had an opportunity to talk to Mr. Hill. He advised you of your rights. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone promise you anything, force you, or threaten you to take a guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
And you're pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm so sorry. You're pleading no contest on your own free will?
Correct. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Satisfied. Well, actual basis. The court will enter a no contest plea for count 2 on ticket number ending in 6995 with a 6-month delay.
It cut out.
And for the record, on this incident occurred on September 11, 2021, in the area of Schoolcraft and Outer Drive, I-96 ramp in the city of Detroit. All right, and the court has put in a no contest plea with a 6-month delayed sentence. So Ms. Barnes, you will come back here. I'll give you a date. You'll be back here on September 8th, 2023.
Okay.
And it's important that you do not incur any further tickets or incidents or misdemeanors between now and then, felonies either, but no other contact with police between now and then.
Yes, ma'am.
That concludes your matter. Have a good day.
Thank you. Have a blessed day.
You too.
Right, we set them off for Tuesday, Mr. Brown, that's what we told you. Spring. Cause you get, okay, you take this at different times, so everything, you take it, give you another date for those, that take it on that particular day. You know, just trying to do this.
What did you want to?
So I don't have to.
Parties ready to proceed on Leotis Brown. Mr. Brown, you can unmute and turn your camera on, sir.
So I just want. Set aside all due possible.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Doing well, how are you, sir?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking.
Now calling the people versus.
What you wanna, when you got it?
That was. Mr. Brown, before I call your matter, are you aware, you have another ticket in the file. Do you have a future date?
Your Honor, if I may,
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Brown did inform me that he has 5 future court dates for tickets that are pending.
Okay, were you gonna combine these all for one day?
Yes, if I could, Your Honor, yes.
Now calling the people versus Leotis Eugene Brown Jr., ticket number P1313625, 1 count of driver on license suspended, 1 count of no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Joseph Pernicano, P84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Brown. State your full name for the record, Mr. Brown.
Leotis Eugene Brown Jr.
Your Honor, today is a date and time set for a show cause on the 2 matters called on the record. I've had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Brown. He's informed me that there are several outstanding matters that he does currently have dates and times set to appear before Your Honor. At this time, we're asking for Mr. Brown to plead not guilty on all matters and for the court to set pre-trials on these matters for March 24th, 2023 at 8:35 a.m.
Okay, so the court will enter a not guilty plea on this matter that's before the court today, and will pull all future court dates and schedule and enter the not guilty plea on his behalf on those as well, setting a $0 personal bond for any of those matters and scheduling them all for pretrial on March 24th, 2023 at 8:35 a.m.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a good day. That concludes this hearing.
Before I go, that's just saying that I just got to appear in court March 23rd next year.
No,
Okay.
this year.
Thank y'all.
This year, sir, in the same courtroom.
Oh, I apologize. I'm so sorry. 2023 threw me off. I'm so sorry.
It's 2023 now. We're 3 months in. So we'll see you here in a few weeks. It should be maybe about 3 weeks from today's date.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much for that clarification. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
ready to proceed on the near bond?
Yes.
Now calling the People versus Denier Bond, ticket number P 136-1454, one count of loiter in place of a legal occupation with intent to engage. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joseph Pernicano, P 84918, appearing on behalf of Mr. Bond. State your full name for the record, sir.
Denier Marquez Bond.
Today is the date and time set for a trial.
Yes, Your Honor, at 8:35 a.m.
How would you like to proceed?
Your Honor, at this time, it's now 11:33 a.m. I have not seen Officer Nicholas Hunt check into any of the breakout rooms. I had a off-the-record brief discussion with the people. They also did not see Officer Hunt log in. I'm not sure if Mr. Goss is able to come on the Zoom here at this time. But also, is Officer Hunt in the courtroom, or did he appear in person at all today?
No, the court has not, no record of Officer Hunt entering the courtroom either in person or on Zoom. I will try and check out rooms as well, and there are no officers in the breakout room currently.
Then at this time, Your Honor, as the trial was set for today at 8:35 a.m. and the time is now 11:34 a.m., it appears that the officer has not appeared today. I would motion to dismiss this matter.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Bond, consider yourself lucky that this matter is being dismissed, but I would encourage you not, if in fact you did participate in any of the alleged offenses, that I encourage you until your case is called. Are there any other officers present on the Black matter?
Officer Riddles is here.
Officer Riddles, were you here when we just did the hearing, the adjournment?
Yes, ma'am, for your March 24th, 9 a.m.
But are there any other officers that were assigned?
Yes, ma'am. B. Lawrence.
Officer Lawrence, are you in the courtroom now? So, Officer Riddles, and we will send out another notice, I believe, but will you make sure that Officer Lawrence is aware, because I think he may have been in a breakout room this morning, but
Yes,
he's not there any longer.
Okay, March 24th, 9 a.m. Zoom, same courtroom?
Yeah, same Zoom room.
Yes, ma'am.
And he will appear on Zoom next time.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, that concludes this matter. You're free to go.
Thank you.
You gonna give me the paperwork, or you just gonna write it down? I'll do one case right here. Okay, just have a seat out in the hall when I bring the paperwork.
Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
We don't need this. I'm sorry. Okay, so who you need?
Officer Akins, who are you here on? I see Jerry VUR. What's the last name?
Ma'am, is Brundage.
Brundage. And what time was this hearing scheduled for?
This was for, wait 1 second, ma'am. Look.
8:35, Your Honor.
Doesn't appear that Mr. or Ms. Brundage has checked in. And it was set for a trial. He didn't check in. So now calling the People versus Jerry Brundage, ticket number SP 124-1689, counts 1 and 2. Please state your appearance for the record, starting with the officer.
Officer Gwendolyn Akins, badge 5-6, from Detroit Police.
And Mr. Brundage, are you here? Mr. Brundage, if you are here, please unmute your phone and state your name for the record. The court has not had a Mr. Brundage to check in. The time is now 11 a.m. This matter was set for trial for 8:35 a.m. Therefore, we will issue a capias on Mr. Brundage, and officer, you are free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Said Barnes. B-A-R-N, oh.
And Officer Wood, you're here on Angel Burns.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ready to proceed on that matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Are the parties ready to proceed on Angel Burns?
Judge, that's going to be a trial.
And we're gonna conduct the trial?
I believe so. Ms. Barnes, you want to go to trial on that, correct? No,
Sorry, I had to unmute it. You never told me what the prosecutor said. I'm sorry. You say
okay, the offer is this: no contest to the knife violation.
Almost thought this was your best friend.
I muted him, Judge. I muted him. Ms. Barnes, the offer is what I told you in the breakout room is no contest to the knife violation under a delayed sentence, which would be dismissed after a certain period. And the other charge, providing false information to an officer, would be dismissed.
For both accounts. How long is?
Judge, can you tell me what the delayed sentence recommendation for is? Is it 6 months?
12 months.
12 months. So after a year, as long as you don't pick up any other tickets, it'll be dismissed.
So the person who owns the knife, she can't testify?
Okay, Ms. Barnes. Okay, but we're not going to get into this. That's why I went over in very detail what the offer was.
Ms. Barnes, would you like, are you, and we would, if you are going to go to trial today, if you would like to conduct a trial today, I am going to call your matter last. So I can put you back into a breakout room. You can eventually, Mr. Hill may be able to come back in there and talk to you one last time to explain what the options will be.